Whose red shoe is this?
What you mean, who red shoe that is?
What you mean what I mean? This ain't my shoe? What size is this? These are size
I got that for you. I got that from the thrift store.
This is a size 7.
I wanted to see if you could fit it. I only got one. Huh?
Already go to Pluto. Ran up a bag, I was tying noodles. Only got one life, don't get a do-over. Stay in your lane, little nigga, better scoot over. Met her today, she already wanna come over. I'm not the one that you bout to run over. Knocking out my problems, I'm feeling like Kimbo. Breaking down nugs, they be looking like Ditto. You can't get comfortable, you cannot settle. The goal is getting your butt out the ghetto. Keep me some haters, got several. Stop making deals with the devil. Don't get nobody your info. Don't worry about nothing that you can't control. Trap doing numbers, they out of control. I cherish my spotlight, I got a mold. I can see the top through my window. I'ma swear the block in the Reno. Investing in stuff.
What's good, YouTube? We back with another video. It's R&D Gang. You feel me? Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and make sure y'all tune in to this whole video, because it's about to be lit on Gang and them. And as y'all can see by the title, I'm about to place these shoes, you feel me, in the back seat. Desi went in the store. You feel me? I hope she find them. And she gonna go crazy. You feel me? I don't know what she gonna do, but she gonna know that these ain't hers. You feel me? I got a little help with Justin Brand. Make sure y'all follow them. You feel me? I'm about to be placing these shoes in the back seat, and Desi gonna find them. Well, I hope she find them. And she gonna go crazy. You feel me? You know what I mean? And it's Valentine's Day, so this ain't about to look good. This ain't about to look good at all. So yeah, man. Y'all tune in though.
Oh, it's cold out here. What's this?
You got everything you need?
What is this? Jay,
What?
whose shoe is this?
Man, I don't know whose shoe that is. I found that. Come on, babe, get in the front seat.
Okay, let me redo this. What red shoe is this?
What you mean, who red shoe that is?
What you mean what I mean? This ain't my shoe? What size is this? These are size
I got
7.
that for you. I got that from the thrift store.
This is a size 7.
I wanted to see if you could fit it. I only got one. Huh? What?
Jay, for real.
What's up?
This is not even my size. And look, these been worn. Like,
They ain't your size?
no.
So we gonna take them back.
For real, Jay, whose shoes is these?
What you mean? They yours?
And then you got the other one too? Jay!
What? They yours? They yours, baby. What you mean? Whose shoe they is? Whose shoe possibly could it be though? Like, what you mean? Like, we gotta.
You had somebody in this car?
No, I didn't have nobody in the car.
Who was in this car? No,
Nobody
put the car back in park. Where's you going? Where's we going?
We gotta get back.
You think I'm
What you
playing?
mean though? Like, babe, what you?
My heart is racing right now.
Like, what you? They some nice
Whose
shoes.
shoe is this, Jay?
They yours.
These is not my shoes. You've never seen me wear these shoes. How are they mine?
I got them for you. I like the color. I got these for you. It just with no box. They was a Valentine's Day gift. I had to wrap them myself.
Why are you playing with me?
Like,
My
for
heart
real,
is
you don't see
racing.
the red? Like, I got these
I'm
for
about
you.
to hit you upside your head with the back of this heel.
Oh.
If you don't tell me whose shoes these is.
Oh my God. Like, how did I get myself into this, bro?
You let somebody else leave
Like-
their shoes back there?
What you mean? Left them back
You
there?
let somebody leave their shoes back there?
No, I ain't let nobody leave the shoes back there. I got them for you. You want to wear a size 8?
9, 8,
Damn.
7, 6, 5.
What you counting for? What did you counting for? You about to take off like a rocket? What did you?
5,
What you ready for lift? What did you counting
4.
for?
3, 2, 1.
Babe, they yours. Like, what you? They yours.
We're gonna do this one more time.
They yours.
Tell me whose shoes is this, Jay?
They yours. They Desiree's.
Jay, for real, I'm not playing.
Stop it.
Yeah, I think these Jenna shoes, ain't it? What?
I'm not playing.
Damn, I just told you whose shoes they was. Like, drop it.
We not pulling off from right here until you tell me whose shoes these is.
Babe, they ain't no.
You're not leaving this store.
They yours. I
These
just
is
told
not
you
mine,
that.
Jay.
They yours.
They not mine.
They are. I got them
Alright.
for you. It's a Valentine's Day gift, but you just ruined it because you seen them too early.
Okay.
Give me a chance to take them home and put them in a box.
What?
Hey, can we go now?
These shoes could have stayed where the fuck they was. First of all, because these is not.
They yours.
No.
They yours now. You know what I mean? They gonna look good on your feet.
Who
Come
you
on.
have in this car?
I told you my nigga little sister, you know what I mean? I had to drop him off, you know what I mean, from the studio, and his sister was going through it with her dude, and we ended up picking her up on the way to
So
his
she
house.
left a red pair of
So
heels
she left
in the
some
back
red
seat.
heels. Yeah, it was a Valentine's Day party last night. Like, you feel me? Why is it so hard to believe, bruh? And they go good with your hair, like, you know what I mean?
All right. With my Jay, it's not funny.
It is funny.
This is a whole different shade of red. But like I said, back to what we was.
I
Lie
ain't lied
again.
the first time. When the first time I lied?
Lie again. Lie again.
Damn, they yours.
Lie again. So you gonna make me act a fool in front of all these people? Because I'm about to get out the car.
All what people?
I'm about to get out the car.
How'd you about to get out the car?
I'm about to get out the car and I'm about to come over around and embarrass you. Since you embarrassing me right now, I'm about to come embarrass you. Whose shoe is this? So you gonna give me the silent treatment now?
I just told you who shoe it was.
Okay.
I mean, I ain't about to waste my energy over that.
Okay.
It's yours. They're yours now.
What you got the car in reverse for? Where is you going?
We gotta go. Like, you wasting too much time here. Like, we ain't done talking about that.
We do have to go, but I didn't put two and two together yet. It don't make sense.
Man, it make perfectly sense.
Okay. Okay. You gonna sit up here and act like I'm a freaking joke? I cannot believe this. And I gotta sit over here in this passenger seat and act like ain't shit happened. Pull this car, park this car.
What are you parking for?
Park this car right here, Jay, before you pull out. Park this car. Park the car. Park the car.
What I gotta park for?
Put the car in park.
Babe, it was a prank, babe.
No. Put the car in park.
It was a prank.
No, put the car in park. Park. Put the car in park.
The prank.
No,
It was.
no.
Like, come
I can't
on,
wait
man.
I cannot wait to get home.
Babe, it was a prank. Stop playing.
I cannot wait to get home.
Babe, it was a prank. Look at the camera.
Don't say nothing else to me.
Girl, it was a prank, girl. Make sure y'all hashtag Rel in those comments, man. Did I get her or what?
No, because now you trying to hide something that you already know.
Man, y'all really think I'm about to be having another girl's shoes in the trunk, in the back
Who
seat?
knows?
Come on, baby.
Who knows?
Like, come on, huh?
Shit.
It was a prank, boo.
Okay.
I got you. Make sure y'all hashtag Team Rel in
That's
those
all right.
comments, y'all. Make sure y'all hashtag Team Rel in those comments. Hashtag Desi in those comments, man.
Hashtag Team Des. Y'all already know what's up.
And make sure y'all subscribe to the channel for more lit content. You feel me? Hit that notification bell. Y'all do not want to miss out on nothing that's going on. We got a big surprise for y'all. We got a lot going on for y'all this year. And y'all don't want to miss out on none of it, y'all. We about to, you feel me?
Y'all don't want to miss a thing. Go ahead and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss not a video.
Not a video.
Okay.
You feel me? It's on
So
with
yeah, y'all go ahead and check out our latest video. We'll leave the detail down below. Much kisses. Happy Valentine's Day. And
Love.
we'll see you in our next video. Peace.
Peace.